Hey, how are ya? This is Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, and you and I are going to learn a little something here today about buying Viking yachts for the lowest price possible. And to do so, that starts off by knowing three critical numbers. There's a lot of numbers that you have to know, but these are the three that you're never going to come across in your research that is really going to help you leverage your negotiation. The first number is 7. 7 months is how long it typically takes a Viking yacht to sell on the open market. Obviously, early on in a listing, sellers are less inclined to take or give away a deal, a lower offer. But as you hit that 7-month mark, both the seller is going to start to panic and the broker is going to start to panic because they risk losing the listing to someone else. So once you know how long the yacht has been on the market, you might be able to use this to your advantage. The second number you're going to want to know is 10.43. This is how much Viking yachts typically sell below their listed price. So by effectively striking out 10.43 off the list price, that's a good target price for you to look into buying your Viking yacht for. And the third number, by far the most important number, I say this in every one of my videos, time and time again, it makes smart buyers make the right decision, but you don't want to look at what Vikings on the market are listed for. You want to find out what real buyers are actually paying for the same Viking that you're looking into buying. So as an example, say there's a 2014 70-foot enclosed bridge listed on the market for $4.9 million. Yet, the last buyer only paid $4.4 for that same make, length, and year model boat. Well, which one is supposed to be your ceiling in that negotiation? Just like that, you knock $500,000 off the asking price to establish your ceiling in your negotiation with the seller and with the listing broker. Of course, they don't want you to know this information because they want to create a perceived value and they want you to spend more money because that results in a higher commission and a higher sale price for someone that they have a relationship with. So whatever Viking you buy, you have to know this information. There's a bunch of other data and analysis that I have for you to make sure that you don't overpay for your Viking, and you could get started by filling out the form below this video so you're in the know. So thanks so much for watching and happy yachting, my friend.